Oncoming. No, let's go. Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm heading to a cafe called Tractor Cafe. They're just out past Windsor. It's a bit out of the way and not really on the way to a good ride, but you can make it a good meeting spot. Now when I left home it was 13 degrees and now currently 8. At one stage it got down to 6 degrees, so something to be aware of when you're riding out this way, especially in winter. It does get quite cold. But I've eaten at this, I've eaten at Tractor Cafe before and the food's been quite good, and I'm just going back there to see if this is the case. I used to like getting a morning ride in. Coming up to it's quite fun. Like, there's a few nice bends through here on Sackville Road. Only problem is in the morning you get a face full of sunlight. And here it is. So due to social distancing rules, I'll just park over to the side. Can't see a thing. Yeah. So we're not allowed to sit in and eat at the moment due to social distancing rules. Let's go inside and get something to eat. So it's an old converted servo that's been turned into a cafe, and it looks quite nice. It does have fuel, but it's a bit not too expensive, I suppose. Anyway, let's try the coffee. Yeah, coffee's still good. And bacon egg roll. So it's pretty quick. Decent size. So Monday to Friday, if you get here before 9, it's $9.90. On the weekend, it costs $12 for a bacon egg roll, medium cap. Cap's very good. Bacon egg roll's quite nice. That was a nice breakfast. Anyway, where to now? Maybe, I might go through Dawson Gorge. We'll just see how it all pans out. Much warmer now. Oh, look at all the boys coming. And this is why you get in early. So just pulled the pin on the old pack S2 cars, and no one's fault. I got here at 10 o'clock in the morning. Of course it's going to be packed. This is the busiest time of day for it. So I'll just go grab myself another coffee and a pie before finishing up for the day. It's been a good run. Whoa, hello, Mr. Police Officer. So you come here for the view. It's got a beautiful view. Normally that's the sitting area, but not today. Just a touch too busy up here, but that's my fault for coming during the busiest part of the day. Not that people are rude or anything like that, just too many people here to really enjoy the road properly. So I'll do one more pass before heading home. But all in all, it's been a pretty good morning. Been well fed, nice run around Cataway National Park, Galston Gorge, and then a quick run up and down to the Barara Bridge. The old Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah, I can't remember if I said it, but pie in the sky. As you can imagine, their pies are quite nice. Coffee, but that's all right. It's warm. But, you know, just because I don't like it doesn't mean others won't. Anyway, on that note, thanks very much for watching. Please give the video a like, share and subscribe if you haven't already done so. and I'll see you on the next vid.